Hello you guys, my name is Suj, and in today's video I am back again with another Happy Mail unboxing, and this package is from Staff Saves. Okay, so it looks like I got the 2 Expo markers that come with the 2 storybooks that I purchased from her, and then, ooh, what is this? Oh my gosh, she is so sweet. So this is just a bundle of extras, and it says extras because you're so far away. Oh my gosh. That is so kind of her. I can't wait to get into this. And then I got a paper clip. Yay, I don't have one of these yet, so I'll add it to my collection. And this is just a thank you card. She has such cute and colorful things. I am so obsessed. This is her freebie that she's been giving. This is so cute. And then a thank you card from her, which I'll just read off camera. And this package is the storybooks. All right, oh my gosh. So here are the 2 storybooks that I purchased from her. So I got The Emperor's New Groove and then Monsters, Inc. So she had a launch, I want to say it was last month. And I was one of the first people on her website, and I put this storybook into my cart and was ready to check out, only to find out that she doesn't ship internationally. But I went ahead and placed a custom order with her, and she took the time to make me these and send them to me, which I'm so grateful for. I am so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and take these clear pieces off, and I will flip through. This was one of my favorite movies growing up. So I'm just gonna flip through. I'm so excited. This is so cute. So if you don't know, she creates these storybook binders using actual storybooks. So she uses like the front and the back parts of the book, and then she rebinds them, and then she uses the pages from these books to create envelopes. So yeah, so I can set this to any category that I want, and I would use this as an envelope to start cash stuffing. It's so cute. This is bringing back so many memories. I used to watch this movie all the time. Oh my gosh. She's just so creative for creating something like this. I love it so much. I have a couple of ideas of what categories I want to put in here and to start saving, so be on the lookout for that. So that was Emperor's New Groove. And then next is Monsters, Inc. Oh, this is so cute. And the inside is also the page of the storybook. This is adorable. And I specifically chose these books too because I knew that it would be really colorful. Yeah, I love that. All right, and then each storybook comes with an expo marker. Yay, I am so excited to have some of these. And then, oh my gosh, these are the extras that she sent me, and I'm so excited to look through this and see what she got me. Oh my gosh, you are joking me. These are, I believe, just her trackers that she has created with some of her storybooks. Oh my gosh, and there's just a variety. Okay, I'm gonna go through these. I'm so excited. So the idea behind these is, so you have your binder and you place this tracker, and when you turn the page, you have your envelope here. So this tracker will keep track of what is in your envelopes here, if that makes sense. Like some people have trackers that they put in their envelopes, but this one is just to, you know, you open up and you can see what's in there as you're stuffing off to the side. Okay, I'm just frazzled right now. This is so exciting. These are so cute. All right, I love Scooby-Doo, so I got one for Scooby-Doo. The Rugrats, SpongeBob, oh my goodness. Smurfs, more Rugrats, Scooby-Doo. This is adorable. Oh my god, I love this one so much. Oh my goodness. She is so generous and so sweet. And this is an I Spy Savings Challenge. Oh my gosh. So there's scratch off ones on both sides. And then I believe this is part of her newest launch too. So these scratch off savings challenges, this is so cute. Yeah, this is from her newest launch. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love all of these so much. I am just so happy. I cannot believe this. This was above and beyond what I was expecting. Like, I was very excited about these storybooks to begin with, and then she sent me all of these. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna actually grab my binder and try to put these in and just jazz things up a little bit. Okay, I will be right back. All right, so I got my new travel binder and then also just my cash stuffing binder here. And I am going to see what I can do to add these things in. So these are all the savings challenges. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Okay, the savings challenges I'm going to go ahead and put into my savings section. So let's see. I honestly want to put all of these in there. Yep. So I will keep my emergency fund at the front, and then Christmas is also important, so I'll do that. And winter. And I'll probably move things around later, but I'll go ahead and put these in. Yeah, so those will go in. So now it looks like, so I've got my important savings items and then the super cute and fun savings challenges. I love that. Okay, and then I know my debt section is looking a little sad, so I will for sure add a tracker here. I think I'm gonna do the Scooby-Doo one. I love the expression on this too, that's funny. So I'll add that there. And this is how I'm gonna be using her tracker. So for debt, I have this credit card envelope, and I'm just gonna keep track of how much I'm putting in over on this side. So my boyfriend just got home, and he also has a package. I just shared with him what I got.
Right now?
Yeah, and now he's trying on everything. That's cute.
It fits pretty well.
It's not too tight?
No. I think it looks great.
I love. I'm gonna steal.
No, you're not. Very suspicious.
Perfect.
Susie was tired. I was expecting to come home to see her asleep.
I know, but then I got this package and I was too excited.
Is that the package you were waiting on?
Yes. Well, there's another one that I'm waiting on, but this one I was very, very excited about. Like, I placed this order before we left.
So I need to leave?
Maybe.
Are you kidding me?
No. Okay, guys, I think I will just do this off camera since my boyfriend is home and I can't do this with him here. I'll just end the video here. Stop. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to say hello in the comments, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!